Hello kids. So once again Minnie is back with you at your own learning platform Learn Forward with your grammar book, the Grammar Hub by Feather Cap. We are going to start chapter number 5 of your book where we'll be learning about nouns number, that means one and many. So if you are one student, that is student. But when I talk about all of you or two, I'll say students. So what's this? Let's learn about these words. Let's recall and reconnect to what we have learnt earlier. Circle the naming words in the following sentences. I hope you remember what are naming words. Let's circle them out here. Harry has 3 balloons. Come on, quickly tell me what are the naming words in these sentences. Good. Harry. So you have to circle. And balloons. That is a thing. Okay. Nikki plays with her friends. Yes. Nikki is a girl. A person. Friends also. Person. Good. Next. Ishan is a good boy. A person again. Boy is also a person. Good. My uncle is very kind. So here again we have a naming word uncle. And in the last sentence, my teacher loves me. So teacher is the name of a person. And me? No. Me is not a name, so me is not a naming word, children. So in this, we have only teacher as the naming word. Let's go ahead now. And what does the word gender means? Gender means the noun, the naming word we are talking about, whether it refers to a male or it refers to a female. And accordingly, we have 2 genders, that is male, masculine, and female is feminine. Now we'll have a look at the pictures here. What are masculine and what are feminine genders? When you talk about a boy, when you talk about a king, when you talk about a lion, and you talk about a peacock, these all are male genders and they are called masculine genders, children. But when we talk about their female part, when we talk about the feminine, what do we say? A boy's corresponding feminine part is girl. For the king, we have the queen. Yes, the lion has a lioness to make the pair and a peacock has a peahen. So all these are males, they are masculine gender, and these are all females, they are feminine gender. So masculine you can remember from a man also. The gender of the man is a male or a masculine gender, and the other counterpart is the feminine gender, that's the female. Interesting? Can we just move ahead? Okay. Look at these pictures and just write male or female. So a girl is a female. So we will be writing female here. F we can write for female. A boy is a male. Good. What about this? Is it a cock or a hen? Okay, tell me. It is a cock. And what is the difference? Cock is a male and hen is a female, children. And what is the difference? See, look at these pictures. Can you see? This is called the comb of the hen or the cock. A cock has a bigger comb here, the skin that just hangs down its beak, that is called the comb, and it has a bigger comb. The male has the bigger comb, the cock. And can you see these feathers also like a tail? This is a cock, but it does not happen in case of a female, in case of a hen. The comb is also smaller, shorter as compared to the cock, and its tail is not as fluffy as a cock has. So this is a female. Coming to the next is a lion and a lioness. How do you make the difference? With the help of this mane, the hair around its face. Only the king has that. So the lion is right here And the lioness without this is the female here. And what about the king? Yes, that is male, of course. And your queen is a female. Can we go ahead now? Here we go, and we have some list of masculine and their corresponding the counterpart feminine gender. So a man has a woman, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt. You know many of them already. Husband, wife, good. Prince, princess, actor, actress. Look at the change in spelling, children. It is OR here, but when we change it to feminine gender, it becomes without O. So it is TRESS. Nephew is a niece. Dog is a bitch. Horse gives you a mare. Now, son is daughter. Sir, the masculine is son, sir, and the feminine is madam. Masculine gender is bull, and for it, the feminine gender is cow. Tiger, again look at the change in spelling. ER, E gets removed and it becomes tigress in the feminine gender. Let's move ahead. A peacock and a peahen. Fox, yes, that's completely new word, that is vixen. Gander, goose, and a rooster is a hen. The feminine part counterpart is hen. Rooster is almost the same as a cock. So can we move ahead now? It's time to do some exercise. Change the gender of the following nouns. We have already read. We know many of them. Let's recall. Husband, wife, good. Mare, yes, that is horse. Wonderful. Aunt is uncle. Brother is sister. So it's very easy for you. You have already learned most of them. Cow, bull. Daughter is son. Dog, bitch. And man, woman. So these are the feminine counterparts of different masculine names. Yes, now it's time to recall what we have learned. Now I know. How many genders do I know now? Two. One is the masculine and the other is the feminine. And masculine refers to male, the man. I told you M, M, M. M is for man, M is for male, M is for masculine, and F is for feminine or the female. So you can remember using the word man. It will be easier for you. Going ahead, it's time to do some exercise. Take the correct answer. The gender which refers to males is called? Yes, that is masculine. The word baby. Baby, if you say the baby is crying, do you know whether it's a male or a female, a boy or a girl? It can be both. So, it can be a male or a female. The opposite gender of mother is father. Good. Now, you have to match here with their corresponding other gender. Hen. Hen is rooster. I just told you cock or rooster is the same. Yes. Actor is actress. Look at the spelling, please. King's counterpart is queen. Headmistress is headmaster. Good. Nephew. Yes, we have just learned its niece. And vixen is the female for fox. Done. It's so easy. And there are still so many masculine, feminine genders that you can just look around. Keep looking, keep learning the genders and have fun. So, we'll be looking for more wonderful sessions on English grammar. Till then, happy learning.